Hi, I'm Alicia, and grandmas go crazy over my knitting. I'm a designer of Nordic crochet and a yarn bomber, and in the world of crochet hooks, I'm known as Ali Maravillas. You can find my work on my website, alimaravillas.es, and on my Instagram. Lifestyle is my passion, everything surrounding the hipster movement and Nordic things. Designing all kinds of crochet products is my perdition. My pieces are inspired by things that I like, such as graffiti, music, slow life, and textures achieved with 2 needles. Crochet isn't just knitting, it's feeling, sharing, and creating incredible things with your own hands. The possibilities are endless. If you allow your imagination to soar, your needle will go with you. In this Domestica course, I'll teach you how to create garments using a crochet needle. As a final project, you'll make at least 2 garments. A cardigan or a colorwork sweater, you decide. You'll learn the necessary stitches to crochet show-stopping designs. I'll show you how to read a pattern, and we'll learn how to crochet the back in order to continue with the front and the sleeves. You'll learn the colorwork technique to give your pieces extra difficulty and originality. Last, we'll give it a perfect finish with invisible seams on the sides, shoulders, and sleeves. We'll finish up our garment with an original, fun collar. By the end, you'll be able to combine all of the techniques you learned to create shirts, cardigans, sweaters, crop tops, anything you can think of. You don't need to know anything about crochet to take this course, because I'm going to explain it all from the beginning. If you're already a crocheter, you can take advantage of the chance to refresh your wardrobe with original and innovative techniques that will surprise you. You only need skeins of yarn, a crochet needle, a wool needle, and a desire to learn. Create your own wardrobe with a crochet hook and discover a new way of understanding crochet.